Start molecules and compound. It is a very interesting and understandable topic because many of them they don't know what is the difference between atoms, molecules and compounds. So in last classes I made you understand what is the atom. Atom is the smallest part of any element that can neither be created nor be destroyed. We take part in chemical reaction. So here we'll talk about molecules. What is a molecules? When two and more atom of same element, it may be from same element or different element, combine chemically. When two and more atom of different element, suppose here atom of one hydrogen and here is another atom of another hydrogen, both they will combine chemically. What produce? H2. That H2 is the molecule, means two and more atom combine chemically to produce molecule. So here what I have done, when two and more atom of element, it may be same and different, combine chemically to form new substances. Yes, exactly, that is a chemical reaction. When two and more atom combine to produce new substance like a molecule, substance is called molecule. There are two kind of molecule. My dear student, please listen carefully. What is molecule? When two and more atom combine chemically, not mixing, combine chemically. Here suppose I will write, this can be written like 2H. 2H means there are two atom. It is not combined. It is not atom. Sorry, it is not molecule. It is an atom because it is present in separate form. They have not combined with each other. Once they combine with each other, they produce H2, and H2 is this is a molecule, and that 2H indicating that is an atom. Two atoms are present, but here is only one molecule, and one molecule means there are two atoms combined chemically. The different thing is the 2H and H2. That is different. That is a molecule. That is an atom. So here there are two kind of molecules are there, homoatomic and heteroatomic. Homo, it is a clear from the name. Homo means from same atom. When molecules form by combining of two same atom of the element, same atom of the element, atom of the same element. Suppose O plus O, both are the same atom from same element, combine chemically, produce O2 molecule. You can write also 2O is equal to O2. That is an atom. Two oxygen atoms are present, combine chemically, produce O2 molecule. N plus N, N2 molecule. That is a homoatomic because both atoms are same. But another one, heteroatomic molecules. What do you mean by heteroatomic molecules? When two and more different atom of different element, when two and more atom of different element combined chemically, different element atom combined chemically produce molecule, that is called heteroatomic molecule. Here you can see that here is an atom of magnesium and atom of oxygen, both combined with each other produce MgO, and MgO is known as a magnesium oxide. That is a molecule. You can say also compound. So I will make you understand what is the difference between molecules and compound. First try to understand what is homo, what is hetero. That is a homoatomic, that is a heteroatomic because two different elements combined. Here also carbon plus oxygen, half oxygen I have given. There is no need to understand because there is a limited amount of oxygen are there, very less amount of oxygens are there. That's why I am written half O2. You will learn why I have written half O2 in higher classes. C plus O2 produce CO, carbon monoxide. And that carbon monoxide indicating there are two elements. and two different elements combining chemically and produce carbon monoxide. And carbon monoxide have a different properties than carbon than oxygen. Means molecules are substances in which two and more elements and their compound combined chemically produce new substance that is called molecule. It may be homoatomic, it may be heteroatomic. The homo means when two same atom combine, and hetero means when two different atoms of different element combine, that is called heteroatomic. Okay, that is the easy one. Now another topic is that what do you mean by monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic and polyatomic? There are four topics are given in the book. Monoatomic. Monoatomic, the molecule which have only one atom. So you know what is the monoatomic elements? All noble gases. Noble gases you can search on net, you can see in your book. Also you can see the example of monoatomic means noble gases in periodic table, modern periodic table. At the last 18 group, they are not combining with other elements. They are staying, they are present in inert form. They are not going to combine with other like argon, helium, xenon. These are the noble gases, noble elements which do not react, and they always present in single form. That's why they are called monoatomic. And the molecule which have two atoms is called diatomic. O2. Why? Because two atoms are present. So these are called diatomic. N plus N, N2, that is a triatomic. Suppose diatomic, suppose I will write CO2. How many atoms are there? There are two atoms of oxygen and one atom of carbon. Means it is a triatomic. So it is clear. Monoatomic when only one atom is present. Diatomic when two atoms combine. Triatomic when three atoms are there. And polyatomic when more than three atoms are present. Suppose I am going to write H2CO3. That is an example of carbonic acid. How many atoms are there? 3 atoms of oxygen, 1 atom of carbon and 2 atoms of hydrogen. How many atoms are there? 2, 3, 2 and 3, 5, 1, 6 atoms are there. So there is no need to write hexaatomic. Simply you will say polyatomic. That is the easiest form. Now next topic is that we have done molecules. Now next is the very important topic, compound. What is a compound? Try to understand, my dear students. Now I am going to raise this one. Molecules and compound. First, molecules. Molecules already we have discussed. Molecules we have discussed when two and more atoms combine chemically. It may be atom of same element, it may be atom of different element. But in the case of compound, it is a totally different. My dear students, when more than two different kind of elements means heteroatomic molecule. Already I made you understand homoatomic and heteroatomic. So compounds is mainly heteroatomic molecules. You can say that molecules are compound, but all molecules are compound, but all compounds are not molecule. Suppose I will write N2. N2 is a molecule because they are made up of same atom, but you cannot say that it is a compound. Compound means when two and more different elements. Suppose carbon and O2. Here O2 is a molecule. Gas is there. It is a molecule. Means it is a different element combined. This is also different element combined to form carbon dioxide, and that is the example of compound. So in both cases, molecule and compound, element combined with each other, chemically combined. But molecules, atom may be same or different. But in the case of compound, atom always will be different element. They will combine to form compound. You can say that it is also molecule, but you can also say that when two and more small molecule combine to form compound. Suppose I am going to give you example, water. What is water? You can say water is a compound also, and water is a molecule, you can say. But small molecule is there, H2 plus CO2. What is formed? H2CO3. That is example of carbonic acid. This is called compound. So compound molecule means when two and more same element combine. But compound, it must be two and more different element combined by fixed ratio of mass. Their mass will be fixed. Mass always will be fixed. What is a mass? I think you are very small class, so you don't need to understand what is mass. So one thing you have to keep in your mind, molecules means when two and more same element combine, and compound is when two and more different element combine chemically. That is called compound, means heteroatomic molecule. That is a very important thing. So compound, please keep it in your mind, my students. What is a molecule? What is a compound? And there are 4 and 5 differences are given in your book. What is the difference between molecules and compound? And also mixture. The mixture is not the compared with molecules and compound, because mixture is the mixing of two and more substances. They mix physically, not combine chemically. But in the case of molecule and combine, two and more atom or element combine chemically. So this is an example of CO2, example of compound, and N2O2 gas, N2 gas. These are the examples of molecule, we can say. And water is a compound, where suppose how water is formed? H2 gas. All gases except noble gases except all gases are present in molecular form, means two and more atom combined. So H2 plus O2 is also molecule combined to form water compound, CO2, water molecule and compound. So 2, you can balance it. I have written here 2. This is the molecule. So you can say that all molecules are compound, but compounds are not molecules. So my dear students, please, it is a very important topic, very small topic is that molecules and compound. But compound in which two and more different elements combine chemically. And molecules means two same atom of same element combine chemically, means small. So please try to write down your copy and understand it. Next time we will talk about mixture and compound. What is a mixture? So I want to give you one example how compounds are formed. Let's see. Suppose sulfur, S for sulfur. Sulfur found in solid form. Sulfur combined with oxygen O2. You will not say S is the element, atom of element. It is present in the singular form. But O2 is a molecule where two and more atom of oxygen combine chemically. And when this molecule and this atom combine, what is formed? SO2, sulfur dioxide. You can say this is a molecule, and you can also say that this is a compound, because it is made up of two different elements. So this is a compound. So many examples are given in your book. Please try to understand what is a molecule and what is a compound. Thank you. Have a nice day.